Hello friends, this is Vani from Viva Sew and Style. How are you all doing today? Let me ask you a question. Would you like to sew a perfect bodycon dress? How about if I said, would you like to sew it in 1 hour? I'm sure you would say yes, please. So, in today's video, I'm going to share with you a pattern that you can use to create the absolutely perfect bodycon dress that you can wear on many occasions. So without much further ado, let's begin. So I am talking about McCalls 7531. This is a tried and tested pattern for many sewists out there. I saw Anita from Anita by Design make it. She even has a pattern review and a tutorial. So in case you are interested in a tutorial, you can check out her channel. Now coming back to this pattern, it has only 3 pieces: the front, the back and the sleeve. You don't have to deal with any facings. It's a fold over method for the neckline and just super easy. You can put together this dress in under an hour or 1 to 2 hours depending on your skill level. By the way, if you are hearing some background noise, I apologize because I believe there is some lawn mowing going on in my neighborhood. So I'm trying to do the best I can with the just recording my video with my iPhone. So I made this dress 3 times and the one I'm wearing is one of them. And let me remove my jacket so you can get a better look at it. 1 second. So I'm trying this new microphone in the hope that it will cancel the background noise. I don't know, sometimes it tends to muffle my natural voice. But anyway, so this is the first dress I made. The fabric is from Walmart. It was 3 yards for $8 and I used almost half of it. So I still have about half of it left that I can use for other future projects. This is like a double brushed poly. It's like soft as silk against my skin and I absolutely love it. So I have put my video alongside and you can see how it looks on me. I mean the dress, how it looks on me. So please share in your comments and tell me what you think. I would recommend that you make this dress in a sequined slinky fabric and then you can wear it to your next party or event. I am planning to do that myself, and whenever my party dress is ready, I will share the review with you all. So I hope you're liking this make. Now let me change into my dress number 2 that I made with this pattern. Hi friends, so this is my dress number 2. This fabric is also from Walmart, can you believe? To me it looks like a designer style fabric. This is also like a double brushed poly and I got 3 yards for $8 from Walmart and I used about half of it and I have about half of it left over. In my previous videos I have shown some raglan style tops and dresses and I'm sure I can use the remaining fabric for those. So anyway, I hope you are liking this style of dresses and give me your feedback. Let me know which one is your favorite. So friends, this is my third and final look. This fabric is also from Walmart. It was even cheaper. It was only $6 for 4 yards. This is some kind of a sweatshirt fleece, but it's very thin. So I might have to wear a slip underneath, but with enough layering with leggings or stockings, the dress looks beautiful. So, in essence, what I'm trying to say is that this is a great learn to sew pattern, must buy according to me. And so, this was learn to sew pattern number 7 that I've done on my channel. And if you are liking my content, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate your support. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye.